If you take a large eggplant, make a cross on its tip and put it in the microwave. You can easily collect its seeds and plant them at home. If you put chocolate around the edges of a pot, fill it with brownie and chocolate mousse, and add pretty edible flowers, then you'll have a delicious, natural trompe l'oeil. If you cut up a milk carton, put cement in it, and plant an egg in it, you'll have a beautiful modern pot for your plants. If you put baking soda in water and soak your spinach in it, you'll be able to get rid of the pesticides it contains. If you take a papaya, collect the seeds and plant them, then you'll have a papaya tree at home. If you take the seeds from your Big Mac, put them in water and wait 3 days, you'll be able to grow your own sesame. If you plant a straw in a cherry, then you can easily recover its pits and plant them in your garden. Don't throw away the tops of your carrots, soak them in water, and you'll get new carrots for free. If you collect all the black seeds from a kiwi and put them in a wet handkerchief, you'll be able to have unlimited kiwis at home. If you take a lavender plant and collect its petals, you can collect lavender seeds and grow them in your garden. If you go to my account, subscribe and click on the link, then you can pick up my free gardening guide.